The Alliance Party of Northern Ireland, or simply Alliance, is a liberal and centrist political party in Northern Ireland. It is Northern Ireland's fifth largest party, currently holding 7 seats in the Northern Ireland Assembly, but has made recent breakthroughs to place third in first preference votes in the 2019 European Parliament election and third highest polling regionally at the 2019 UK general election. The party won one of the 3 Northern Ireland seats in the European Parliament and 1 seat, North Down, in the House of Commons, the lower house of the Parliament of the United Kingdom. Founded in 1970 from the New Ulster movement, the Alliance Party originally represented moderate and non-sectarian unionism. However, over time, particularly in the 1990s, it moved towards neutrality on the union and has come to represent wider liberal and non-sectarian concerns. It opposes the consociational power sharing mandated by the Good Friday Agreement as deepening the sectarian divide and, in the Northern Ireland Assembly, it is designated as neither unionist nor Irish nationalist, but other. The Alliance Party won their first seat in the UK House of Commons in the 2010 general election, unseating the former East Belfast MP Peter Robinson, First Minister of Northern Ireland and leader of the Democratic Unionist Party. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.